figure it out the hard way by switching from chart to chart to find the trend, but if that's not hard enough, consider that markets change over time. A system designed for a trending market can turn into a trap which suddenly fails to make profit. Imagine if you could quickly scan all currency pairs and time frames to find the best trend and dramatically increase the profitability of any method you trade. If you're struggling with erratic market chaos when the trend direction is unclear, then this is the solution. So how does it work? Our powerful computers continuously work to find the best pair and time frame for you at any time. The result is the most clean pair and time frame with a nice trend, and this is the key to reduce unnecessary losses and increase your odds of winning by simply following the best trend. As you know, trading against the trend leads to loss after loss, but trading with the trend leads to profits, or at least increases profitability of any method or robot you trade. Trading within the range is unpredictable and risky unless you know exactly what you're doing. The truth is that most forex systems or robots make money with the trend, but lose money in a choppy market. But the tricky part is to find that good trend. Let me tell you one big mistake most traders make all the time. They're used to focusing on one specific pair and time frame. 90% of traders only trade the major pairs, mainly the euro, the cable, the Aussie and the yen. The reason is clear: it's beyond human power to watch all the currency pairs. The Forex Trendy tool scans 34 Forex pairs on all time frames from minute to monthly. It would take you hours analysing every single chart. Forex Trendy crunches all the charts within a second. You don't have to wait during the choppy market, just pick the best trending pair at any time. It scans even the exotic currency pairs, such as the Norwegian krone, the Sing dollar, or the Hong Kong dollar, which gives you a great advantage. You don't have to limit yourself to basic Forex pairs though. There are more trading opportunities out there. When one becomes choppy, throw it away and jump to another pair. Forex Trendy quickly gives you the next best pick. You can even set up audible alerts so that when there's a pretty trending trade, you won't miss it. The Forex Trendy application works independently from your trading platform. You can use your favorite trading platforms such as MetaTrader, NinjaTrader, TradeStation, etc. because the software is actually running on our computers located in Florida. No thick ebooks to read or complex software to install, just instant auto analysis of the cleanest pairs and timeframes with a nice trend. No matter if you're a novice or advanced trader, everyone immediately benefits from this smart application. Now a special bonus: automated chart pattern recognition software that can recognize triangles, flags, wedges, and strong trend lines in all currency pairs and timeframes, so you're always prepared for every potential breakout. The audible alerts will tell you about the confirmed patterns in real time, so you don't miss the explosive price movements following the breakout. Your current approach is probably why you're not profitable.
But the main difference is this. New traders think about how much money they can make. These are two opposite attitudes. At first you may wonder how a trader can make any money when they're focusing on a potential loss. But the professional trader, one of the most consistent realities in trading is that if you trade long enough, at some point in time you will likely have losing trades. But how you manage those losses has a trading. When we enter into a trade, we need to be okay with taking on a loss. We don't have to like it, but it's best to accept losses as a real component. We argue that the potential to be consistently profitable increases with the use of protective stops, which helps get you out of a trade when the market moves against. That's why we feel the first step before entering into a trade is to determine when you're going to get out of the market for your decision-making process. Traders who do not identify their risk before entering into the trade can quite often go through the 3 stages of getting the dreaded margin call to a winning trade. But when hope doesn't work, you try wishing. You wish the market will come back enough to get out at the price where you got in, so you don't have to take a loss. It continues to move against you, and eventually the margin watcher feature gets you out with a big loss. So what went wrong? It's hard to make good decisions in the heat of the battle. We need to make decisions based on sound analysis rather than the need to just get out of a trade. How many times have you finally wanted? It's happened to all of us, but those who decide not to let this happen to them anymore take a big step to becoming a better trader. So, determine your entry, identify your risk, and project. Now, think about tossing a coin for a moment. When we toss a coin and choose heads or tails, we have a 50% chance of being correct. But what? Basically, we're putting ourselves in a position to be break even. So to become profitable, one of two things needs to happen. When we're right, then we lose when we're wrong. Most traders prefer to win more when they're right, coin toss when we're right, and lose $1 when we're wrong. The answer is, of course, that we would more likely be consistently profitable, since I have the numbers on my side.